What's going on, everyone? Today's the 1st of January 2024. We're going to talk about Nvidia and see if this stock is a buy even at these very high all-time prices. That simply means if it is a buy here at $495, then price obviously is going to continue to go up in price. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to break down this last price prediction that we did in Nvidia, and then we're going to see if it's possible that price is going to continue to go higher. Then guess what? Your boy is going to drop another price prediction looking for Nvidia to go up. So let's do this. Did a price prediction in Nvidia on December the 11th, looking for the market to go up. It did just that. Hit a lower end sell zone here into the market Nvidia on the 18th. That was where our ultimate TP price was at. And then that's when the market got hit and went down. I mean, what else can I tell you? We can do this consistently in the stock market without adding any complications. It's just real simple. Just simply pay attention to the price bars and the volume in conjunction with it. You begin to see the picture. That is why the market in Nvidia on the 18th of December went down. It's because we talked about this sell zone up here. Now, when you see the market hit at that sell zone on December the 18th, what type of reaction did you see? Like, did the market plummet? Did it crash immediately? Did it fall down 12%? No, it didn't. Instead, Nvidia began to trade within a range and held sideways trading action. Look at that. Now, the market in Nvidia truly was weak, and there wasn't no buying going on at all, just slightly below that sell zone. Then the market would have gone a lot lower. Pay attention to what's really going on in the markets and not by what people's opinions are. Someone is still in the midst right now in the market buying this stock. Even on the last trading day, we got a probable precursor of strength right there. Can you see that? Do you see it? We got that probable precursor of strength in Nvidia right there. So not only did the buyers eliminate the sellers in that zone, they also gave us a bounce off of that zone. Let me bring that back. You see that? The market even bounced off of that zone. So now, rather than this being a sell zone, it may be a buy zone now, because every time price comes down within that zone, they begin buying. Who? I don't know. I could care less who it is. I do appreciate them showing me what they're doing though. So let's go ahead and transfer that sell zone now into a buy zone. Okay. Now we may need to make it a little bit cleaner, refresh it a little bit, make it a little bit cleaner as to where the buyers really are in Nvidia. So let's see if we can do that, because they're actually down here. Okay. The buyers are actually down here in Nvidia. So it's on the 7-hour chart. Yeah, I like that. Okay, cool. So now we got where the buyers are. We know where the sellers are still. Do you think the market is a buy here though? Here it is on the 2-day chart. You can see off of this weakness bar here on the 2-day time frame, the market still closed higher. So it looks to me that the buyers are trying to chip away at these sellers in this zone. Here it is on the 3-day chart. The next 3 days, we need to see the market close higher than that 3-day bar there. It has to do it. That would take us into looking for Nvidia making all-time highs once again. Now, here it is on the 5. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Do you think price is just going to consolidate for a couple of more trading days before it breaks out? Because to me, I think the market is still a buyer's market. I'm still going to anticipate that price is going to go up. Now, the problem that I'm going to run into is trying to figure out, okay, cool, how high? This is where you can actually apply, Fibonacci retracements or some other type of indicator to try to figure out, while we're in uncharted territory looking at Nvidia going up, where would be a logical place to see the market begin another sell off or begin to go down in price. Here it is on the weekly chart. Take a look at Nvidia on the 2. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Here's Nvidia on the 3 weeks. Nvidia on the 5 still looks pretty bullish, even at these all-time high prices. That's crazy. Here it is in December, right here, the last completed monthly bar in December. Market still closed at the high of the bar, even on the prior month when we saw the market close off the lows, off the highs. Nvidia on the 3 months. Take a look. Charts don't lie. Would you be bullish or bearish in that? It still is bullish. The 3 months prior, Nvidia gave us a weakness bar, but instead it went up instead. There's still demand here in the market. Nvidia, here it is on the 6 months. And then let me show you the 12 months bar since we start out on the new year. Look at that bar. It's been a crazy year for Nvidia. $275% in 1 year. But don't listen to me, because everyone else will tell you to hold on to these stocks for 12 years in order to get that 275%, and you got it within 1. Now, that 12-month bar right there still tells me that the market is bullish, right? But we may still see some volatility. We may see the market just go up slightly, make another all-time high move, and then throughout 2024, price of Nvidia comes all the way down and retraces this massive move that it did in 2023. I'm just telling you that this stock is bullish, but it doesn't mean that you just rest on your laurels and you fall back and you become more relaxed. No, this is when you want to be a little bit more cautious, because this stock doesn't seem plausible that it can be this strong. At some point, this will crack and continue to go lower. But right now, I am going to get rid of this price prediction here. Congratulations to those who got that 5.77% out of the market. I'm still going to look for price to go up though. Now, I told you, my problem is I don't know where it is going to go. I would like to see price hold support around 480, but in the event that it doesn't, I don't want price to fall no lower than 450 at this second buy zone. Okay. Now, as we anticipate higher prices in Nvidia, our first target is going to be in this sell zone, anywhere within it. We already know that that area is a problem. It is. So at least as we anticipate higher price in Nvidia, as we see the market run to this sell zone, we can at least potentially get 2.82% out the market. Outside of that, I have no idea. So let me just take it up there to 550. For Nvidia, just do a nice round number, that's all. But for you, it's your choice. Okay, so that would give us, if it does hit 550, almost 11% there. So let's just see what happens. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.